This is Ben.vens with MarineMax Osage Beach. I am Missouri's Nautique brand ambassador. Today we're standing in front of a 2019 Nautique GS24. This is our Ferrari inspired boat. We got the Victory red hull and onyx black sides with our white graphics here. This is a 24-foot boat that's great for water skiing, wakeboarding, and surfing. And heck, if you want to do a little tubing, it'd be a great boat for that as well. It holds 17 people, and it's just a really, really fun boat and fast. So if you follow me around to the back here, a little faster, Marty. Good. Down here is what makes this boat work. We've got our award-winning Nautique surf system here, built in nicely to the hull of the boat. It's tucked up nicely. There's no big tabs out here to kick while you're swimming back here. Here's our surf pipe. Puts all of our exhaust down into the prop stream so that when you're back here surfing, you're not breathing all that carbon monoxide in. And this is our Nautique configurable running surface plate. It adjusts the pitch of the boat to help shape your surf wave and your wakeboard wakes, as well as get the boat on plane when you're taking off. We've got the Mojave Brown sea deck throughout the boat. Hop up here. As you can see, we got our nice walk-through, climb in and out of the boat easily. We've got cup holders back here and a stereo remote and seats for putting your wakeboard on or just hanging out. Good job, Marty. So we open the back compartments. This boat is equipped with our Pro Ballast option. It gives you an extra 300 pounds per side on the back for those people that are wanting a little bigger wakeboard and surf wake. Got your ski pylon here that pops up easily for when you want to water ski, and stows away just that easy. Right here is more sea deck throughout the boat so that you can climb in and out of the boat without having to step on cushions. When you're ready to rock, you just put that right back in. We will hide that for now. Right here, the seat flips up, gives you a backrest for when all the action's going on behind the boat. Got a great compartment here. It's got your sub. This is a great place to store boat bags, towels, whatnot. Over here on the starboard side, we've got more storage. We've got your trash can, cooler one, and on your port side, cooler two. We've got 17 cup holders for in case you have 17 people on the boat, one for everyone's beverage, and great phone holders on both sides. Working our way up here to the helm, we've got our race-inspired seat here. Very comfortable, moves back and forth depending on your height. Steering wheel adjustable. Got a great armrest here for driving the boat. It's very comfortable. You can control everything on the screen with this helm control here. It's also touchscreen. Another great place to store your phone. We've got USB things here. Plug your phone in, as well as plenty of USBs and 12 volts throughout the boat. Glove box, another great place to store a phone. Got your head unit to control the stereo, and places to plug in auxiliary and more USBs. This boat is equipped with the upgraded stereo. It's got the 8JL audio speakers with nice courtesy lights for night that shine down and illuminate the boat. Surf pockets on top for storing surfboards. extra surfboards, and we have our awareness cam for seeing behind the boat. Up front here, we have a lot more storage, all lined with SeaDek and all drain in case you put things wet back in. Plenty of room up front to sit down and relax. And that is your walkthrough of the 2019 GS24. This is Ben.vens with MarineMax Osage Beach. Give us a call if you have any questions about this boat. We always have a GS Series and a G-Series boat in the water for demo. We look forward to seeing you this summer.